Hi guys, welcome to Big Nation Technology channel. Don't forget to like and share our content where we bring more updates of programming and software related to you. Thank you.
Guys, today we're going to discuss about data structure and algorithm in C++. We are going to discuss about this from basic to complete scratch. Here you have the knowledge needed to be a complete programmer where we talk about data structure and algorithm. And we are going to talk about introduction to data structure and algorithm, the prerequisite knowledge needed for this programming project. You should have a basic computer knowledge. You should have basic C++ programming language knowledge as well. Yeah, I want to believe you should already have covered the basic knowledge of C++, up to pointers, arrays, and some other areas that are concerned. And we are going to be using our Dev C++ IDE for programming. Yeah, that is the IDE we'll be using in this tutorial. Also, the theoretical part, we are going to understand how data structure and algorithm works. We are going to, in the theoretical part as well, we are going to talk about the visualized data structure. We are going to use diagram and dragon algorithm. You understand the dragon algorithm step by step. We are going to implement a practical program using C++ to make the data structure and algorithm more clear to you. Now, coming to the course content, we are going to start with introduction, like what is data structure and algorithm. We are going to talk about the analysis performance, space complexity, time complexity, asymptotic notation, the big O, omega, and data. We are going to talk about linear data structure. Yeah, you must have been hearing about the linear data structure. Yeah, we are going to discuss about that as well. Talking about the stack, definition, the operation, and uses, implementation, etc. We are going to talk about the queue as well, the definition of queue, the operation, and the uses, and as well the implementation, the type of queues we have different type of queues. We are going to talk about all these and etc. We are going to mention about linked list as well. So another thing in the context we'll be talking about today is we are going to talk about nonlinear data structure. Okay, and we are as well going to talk about nonlinear data structure. In nonlinear data structure, we are going to talk about trees. Yeah, trees is one of the type of nonlinear data structure that we have. We have trees. We are going to talk about the definition. Yes, certainly you should know the trees at which the data structure is circulated. Here we are going to talk about the definition, the type of trees, the operations of trees. We are going to talk about data structure in related to trees. Okay, the working and etc. Now another thing we are going to talk about is binary tree. Yeah, the definition, the operation, insertion and deletion of binary trees. We are going to talk about M-weight tree, the bit tree, yeah, and etc. We are also going to talk about graphs, yeah, the graphs method of data structure, the definition, the types, the operation, the traversal algorithm, etc. Another thing we talk about, we are going to talk about sorting and station algorithm, like bubble sort, like insertion sort, like radius sort, like quick sort, like merge sort, and some other etc. that we are going to talk about. We are going to talk about hashing as well, yeah, the different hashing techniques that we have for calculating address, yeah, the common function that is used in hashing method for calculating an address. Yeah, we are going to talk about that. Both collision, resolution. We are going to talk about the linear probe, the quadratic probe. Now you need to understand that in this tutorial, we understand the fact that the context listed here are so much. Yeah, and we are going to give in our best to cover the most important part of the content. Yeah, possibly there might be some part of the content that we are going to remove, and there will be some that will be added to the content. But the major important thing you need to understand is that we are going to cover the major and the most important aspect of data structure in programming language. Yeah, all you need to do is don't forget you need to have some prerequisites, some things required for you to follow up in this project, like the knowledge of basic computer. You should have basic computer knowledge. You should have C++ programming language knowledge, and the software that we will be using is develop C++ IDE for programming. You can download that, and I'm very sure if you have been writing some programs in C++, you should know the C++ programming IDE. So in the next tutorial, we are going to cover and start the introduction part. If you feel that you really need a reason for you to have the data structure and algorithm, then don't forget to turn up to follow us more on the next tutorial. Thank you.